In this video, let me introduce you the nature, the cuisine, local park, history and formation of the city.
Although Sungai Petani is not the capital of Kedah, it is the most populated city too. This century-old city is adjacent to Penang and is the largest industrial development area in Kedah. Once the Kedah dynasty was established here for many years, so there are many historical relics here, as well as several huge historical museums. When you come here, you can take Sungai Petani as a century of travel all over the country to see the historical relics and the patients. The Gujarati dynasty was established in the 5th century before the Malacca dynasty. According to ancient records, long ago when people sailed here, the arrival at the port of Goyang Valley, the once prosperous in trading location is now
Actually, I'm here to talk about its name derived. So Sungai Petani is actually a small town in it's a little town in the state of Kedah in the northern part of Peninsular Malaysia. Sungai Petani is actually the second largest town in Kedah after Alostar. So the name Sungai Petani has its roots from Sungai meaning river and Petani meaning farmer. So it's actually connected. It's farmers river. So it's actually from a Sanskrit word also, which actually means virgin nymph. Sanskrit word Petini, which means virgin nymphs. Actually, Petini was also the name of the daughter of Merong Mahawangana, founder of the preceding Langasuka Empire. While Kedah was known under the name of Langasuka, traders always traveled between the Merbok Valley and Petini. So actually, this Sungai Petani, this river is actually a tribute of the Merbok river actually. So they used to travel through the land routes between these two rivers. So we cannot say that it's impossible that Petani is borrowed from the name of the princess. Petani also means farmer in Malay, but it is unlikely that it is the origin of the city's name, as there are no pointing into this day. So it's actually either the empire's daughter's name, or it's actually basically it means something else also. So there is a flag and identity to this, which you can see in my background right now. Actually, it's actually a green background with two triangular outlines of white and yellow on the host of the city's coat of arms. So that is it.
Hi guys, I'm Richie and I'm going to introduce the map location and districts. Supang Petani is a town in Kalamata district, Kedah, Malaysia. Supang Petani is Kedah's largest city and is located about 55 kilometers south of Alor, the capital of the Kedah, and 33 kilometers northeast of Georgetown, the capital city of the nearby state of Penang.
Many diverse plant and animal species can be found in Sungai Petani. The region is famous for its lush flora, and it is home to a diverse range of the birds and mammals. Additionally, the area is home to a wide variety of reptiles and amphibians. Sungai Petani is home to a variety of the important plants and animals.
Next, I will introduce the local food of Sungai Petani, banana leaf rice and bakute. The first one, banana leaf rice, was initially a popular dish in South India, but as their immigrants migrated elsewhere, and then it was also available in Malaysia and Singapore, two countries with sizable populations from South India. As seen in the image, all of those dishes are rice that has been spread out on a large banana leaf, dried out with gravy and sauce, and accompanied by side dishes. Tofu is typically served with additional rice as a palate cleanser. The next dish is bakute, which is a type of braised pork rib The typical seasonings include fried dough sticks, soy sauce, other condiments, and Tieguanyin tea, which is well liked in pork clan because I believe it can thin out the fat. Then the traditional baguette is complete.
A panda lake, which may have originated in Quanzhou, Fujian, is a pancake made with butter poured into a round frying pan. The ingredients are mostly fried peanuts, sugar, and corn. It's popular street food in Malaysia, Singapore, and other places. Later, it spread to all parts of South China and was introduced to Nanyang Mountain with the early Fujian immigrants.
Today, let me introduce you 3 local parks located in Sungai Petani, Kedah. The first park is the Carnival Park. The Carnival Water Park is one of the most blooming places that consists of recreational setting involving water play. The park is located near Sayang Resort in Sungai Petani, Kedah. To visitors, it's a decent place for them to have a holiday trips with families. There are myriads of exciting games and activities offered to park visitors. For instance, there is a lazy river for visitors to freely ride and float around. Body slides, tube slides, and high-speed slides for people to have fun within the float and slide down from twisting tubes. The second park I would like to introduce to you is Taman Jumbeli Perak. Taman Jumbeli Perak Park is a public park located in Sungai Petani, Kedah. This park was built to commemorate the Sultan Abdul Halim Muzan Shah as the Sultan of Kedah. There are many facilities such as a unique cactus garden and jogging track. The park is surrounded by different kinds of big trees. You could also find birds in tall cages that are built around the big tree inside the park. The park has walking paths for people to enjoy strolling activities. In the center of the park, there is a beautiful lake with bridges that are suitable for photography activities. Bukit Banyang Hill Park is the third park I would like to introduce to you. This park consisting of 25 acre areas, including 8 kinds of mini parks. Various facilities can be found in these themed gardens, particularly like exercise station, cheese gardens, maze walking, and so on, as well as a tree housing created from Chenggou hardwood, the hardy banyan tree which inspired this park's name. The park is viewed as a place for people to exercise while enjoying its unique feature of viewing sunrise.
Hello, my name is Stephen Liu. I am going to talk about the tourist attraction in Sungai Petani, Kedah, Malaysia. There are some interesting places in Sungai Petani that present the beauty of the natural attraction recommended to be visited when the holidays arrive with your family or your friends. Weekends are the best holidays to visit and enjoy the tourist attraction in Sungai Petani, Malaysia. Many of the latest destinations are ready to indulge in holiday activities for tourists. In addition to natural beauty, there are many anti-mainstream vacation spots in the city of Sungai Petani that will relieve our fatigue. The first one is Sungai Petani Clock Tower. It's established in 1934. The Sungai Petani Big Clock Towers was a gift by a Chinese millionaire who is Lim Lianteng to the people of this area to celebrate the Silver Jubilee of the King George V and Queen Mary. Interestingly, the giant antique clock is still working and ticking until today. At the night, this clock will be flooded with a very beautiful lights and make it perfect as a background for your social media photos. And this is one of the interesting places in Sungai Petani that you can visit with your family or even your friends.
Hello, my name is Luis Fernando and I'm gonna talk about Merbok River at Smelling Jetty in Sungai Petani, Kedah. Merbok River at Smelling Jetty is located next to the Smelling Bridge, offer a variety of facilities as well as the beauty of Merbok River. Merbok River is a river that flows into a Malacca Strait and have a mangrove forest. Tourists can visit the mangrove forest gallery and enjoy the tourist boat. or water taxi services that are available to cruise down this river. You can also relax and dine at the seafood restaurant located near Smelling Jetty. Next, I'm gonna talk about the riverfront city 3D mural at Sungai Petani, Kedah. People adore using street art to communicate their feeling and emotion. Nevertheless, many people had been drawn to this recent created commercial district by the 3D mural street art at riverfront city Sungai Petani. A commercial complex with a modern British architecture is called the riverfront city. Is it close to the Petani River or Sungai Petani? A boutique hotel, commercial center, a sizable parking lot, and a movie theaters are all part of this complex. In the back alley between a store is where you can find the 3D mural. There are several 3D mural street artwork created by diverse artists, each of which has a unique setting and narrative. Images are produced in 3D mural street art at the perspective that make it interactive with the viewer as they are stand in front of it. Thank you.